Welcome to this DelftStack tutorial video. In today's video, we'll learn how to make Safari the default browser on your MacBook. Once Safari is set as default, links from emails, messages, and other apps will automatically open in Safari instead of Chrome, Edge, or another browser. Let's begin. Go to your dock and click the Settings app to open System Settings. Once it opens, look at the left sidebar and click General. This will open your Mac's General System options. Now scroll down until you find the section called Default Web Browser. Next to it, you'll see a drop-down menu. Click the drop-down, and if you have other browsers installed, they will appear in the list. Simply select Safari, and the change is applied right away. From now on, web links you open on your MacBook should launch in Safari by default. If Safari is already selected, then it is already your default browser. If you do not see the option right away, your macOS version may look a little different. In that case, go back to the main settings screen and use the search bar in the top area. Type default browser or just default. Then click the matching result that appears, and it will take you directly to the correct setting. If this video is helping you so far, please like the video and subscribe to DelftStack for more quick Mac and iPhone tutorials. As an extra tip, some browsers may ask to become the default after updates or when you open them. If that happens by mistake, you can always return to this same menu and switch back to Safari in seconds. And that's it. Thanks for watching this DelftStack tutorial video.